Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Word version and saving a backup copy so you can revert if needed. Open the document and reveal hidden marks to see manual breaks and paragraph marks. This exposes the root causes. Once done, turn on Reveal Formatting or press Alt plus Shift plus F1 to inspect styles applied to headings. Make sure to note any headings formatted manually. You will replace those with proper heading styles before updating the table of contents. Now you convert inconsistent headings to built-in styles. Select a title and apply heading 1, 2, or 3 as appropriate. This is how TOC detects entries. If formatting must match the look, use Modify to change the style rather than manual font changes, because manual tweaks break automation. Once headings are consistent, go to References, choose Update Table, and select Update Entire Table to refresh page numbers and entries. Make sure to check for missing levels. Finish by inspecting the TOC field codes with Alt plus F9. This reveals switches like \01-3 or \H that control behavior. If entries still miss, remove manual tabs or paragraph marks inside the TOC range and then toggle field codes back. When corruption persists, delete the TOC and insert a fresh one from References Table of Contents. Set options to include the correct levels and update. If problems continue, one key troubleshooting tip: check for direct formatting on headings, clear it, and reapply the style.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.